Okay, so what I've done here, I've left it running for quite a while on number 2, and when I measured the heat exchanger at the front, which is the bit we all really wanted, we're only looking for heat, it was 195, so not bad. So I've put on both pumps now, so now I'm using engine oil and diesel, but I haven't increased the speed. All I've done is bring up the supercharger a little bit, and I've gained quite a bit, and that was on 230 a minute ago. So just by adding the oil without changing the actual setting speed, yeah, and I'm trimming that on these little gauges here. Okay, let's make him right. Let's have a look what we got. We've got 19.8. Right, let's give him a bit more oil. Okay, let's see what happens. So there we go, into it actually, 19.7. Does the temperature gauge go up, or did I have it on the right setting before? Oh, it's climbing. There we go. So it appears, as long as you've got a good core temperature through the heater of around about 180, you can run it on engine oil, and it will increase the temperature. There we go, 231. Still going up. I've just done an arsehole check on it with my CO meter. Oh, let's have a look at my other meter on all. This is the weirdest meter in the world. This is, I mean, look, what's the parts per million starting at 400 for the CO? Yeah, and we've got the VOCs, which are volatile. Right, VOC, volatile organic compounds. Yeah, like paint thinners. You can put this over the top and it'll tell you how stinky it is. Yeah. So in here, it's going on. Why is it flashing? I don't know why it's flashing. It would help if I read the instructions, I think. Okay, we'll sod that for a minute. Good old Bessie here that likes getting burnt. So it went up to 48, which is not too bad. 48. I mean, what you've got to do is remember, you've got to try to take your mind away from how your car has been running in the past, yeah, where you think, oh yeah, as long as it's around about 14.7, that'd be fine. These don't work like this. Yeah, you get these down to 14.7, you got shit pouring out the exhaust. These are healthy in the 19s. Yeah, so pre-cat, after cat. You can see a little difference. You got 19.7 and 19.9. So, okay, that cat's not made of platinum. It's made of something. As cheap as chips at 16 quid. But whatever it is, it's working. Because I've got no smoke at the tailpipe. It doesn't stink in here. Oh my god, we're still climbing, look. 236. Yeah. I mean, I know engine oil is hard to, because it's got a flash point starting at 300, but it has so many BTUs in it. Yeah. If you can unharness the BTUs, you've got some serious heat. Compared to diesel or paraffin, or even petrol. I mean, petrol's even worse, because you hardly get any heat out of that because it burns too quick. Yeah, it's still going up, 238. That's so strange. And it doesn't, even the motherboard doesn't seem to be confused the fact I've got two pumps running at the same time. Yeah, I suppose it only really checks to make sure there's a pump there in the first place. The fact that it's got two, it goes alright then. And what are we putting on the amps? Some subtle. Nope, there's nothing heavy going on down there. And we're up on 241. 241 on number 2 setting, running on black Guinness and some diesel. Okay, bye for now. Keep you updated.